Dear students, good afternoon. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Beta, today we will start maths chapter measurement of weight, chapter number 12. Now, what is weight and how do we measure it? Weight is how heavier an object is, how heavy it is. Now, let's see. Raju goes to the market with his father and they buy several things like vegetables, sweets, fruits, etc. Raju buys popcorn and chocolate for himself. He finds that the weight of any object can be measured with the help of a balance and weights. Yes, it can be measured with the help of balance and weights. See, balance is of many types. It is beam balance, it is weighing balance, and it is electronic balance. Here you can see the reading here. So, what are the standard units to measure weight? Standard units to measure weight is grams. Small g denoted by small g. It is used to measure the weight of lighter objects which are light in weight, such as pencil, book, popcorn packets, and milligrams. Milligrams is used for lightest objects that are very light, such as medicine, tablets. Now kilograms, it is denoted by K capital and G small. For heavier objects which are very heavy, such as wheat bags, cement bags, oil cans, etc. Now this needs to be remembered that 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams, 1000 grams. And in 1 gram there are 1000 milligrams. mg, both small, no capitals. mg means milligrams. Now look at this activity 1. The standard unit of measuring weight is kilograms. K is capital, G is small. Weight of gold is measured in grams. G, small g, in brackets you will write. The short form of gram is small g. Lightweight objects are measured in grams. Heavyweight objects are measured in kilograms. Dear students, let's start this activity 2 now, which is on page number 144 of your maths book. Now see, change into grams. How you will change it, beta? It is the same way as you did in the length chapter. We have to change 6 kg into grams. So, see, first of all write date, chapter, page number, exercise and highlight it. Then question 1, change into grams, 6 kg. As we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Make a box. Now 6 kg is being asked. We will write here 6 kg is equal to, we will multiply 6 by 1000 grams. Units are very important. If you will not write the units, you will not get the marks. Then see the numbers. 6 number is here and 1 number is here. So 6 ones are 6. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Write 3 zeros. So it is 6000 grams. 6 kg is changed into 6000 grams. Now see this. 8 kg and 295 grams. We know 1 kg. See the relationship first. It is between kg and grams. So we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now multiply 8 by 1000. Units are very important. It will be 8000 grams. Now 295 grams are given extra to us. So what we will do? We will add those 295 grams in 8000 gram. But don't add it here. Don't put 2 under 8, 9 under this 0 and 5 under this 0. We always start from ones, tens and hundred and thousand position. So 5 will come on ones position, 9 will come on tens position and 2 will come on hundreds position. So it will be 8295 grams. Now see, our next question is question number 2, change into kilograms and grams. Here we had to change into only 1 unit. Now here we have to change into 2 units, kilograms and grams. See, first question is 3546 grams. So how you will change it into kg and grams? Let's see. See, 3546. The relationship is in between kilograms and grams. So what you will do? As we know that 1 kg is equal to 100,000 grams. Sorry, 1000 grams. So what we will do? See, in 1000 there are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So what you will do? You will put a slash after 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Put a slash after that. So it will be, this part will be kg and this part will be grams. So answer will be 3 kg and 546 grams. Next question, 5042 grams. We have to convert it into kg and grams. Relationship is in between kg and grams. So what we will do? As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 3 zeros are there, so put a slash after 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Put a slash over here. So this part will be kg and this part will be grams. So it will be 5 kg and 042 grams. Now you will do the other parts yourself. Now dear students, let's start activity 4. These are statement sums, word problems, and in these sums you know that we have to write the statements. If we will not write the statements, our marks will be cut. Now see, Sohan bought 1 kg 500 grams of potatoes, 2 kg 500 grams tomatoes and 2 kg onions. Find the total weight of vegetables bought. Total. See, total word is mentioned here. I have already told you that in sums where total word all together sum is mentioned, there you have to do plus. So let's start. See, first you will write chapter, activity 4, word problems, page number. You don't have to write the full question, write the half question. Dash 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 means it covers the full question, and write the last part of the question. Now see, this we have written the statements. If you will not write the statements, you will not get the marks. So first statement is weight of one bag. Oh sorry, this is the second question. First question is weight of potatoes is equal to 1 kg and 500 grams. Then weight of tomatoes is given as 2 kgs and 500 grams. Then weight of onions is given as 2 kg. We have to find the total weight. So for total we have to add all these. So let's add 1 kg, write kg here, and grams here, write at some distance. 1 kg will come under 1 kg. Grams will come under grams, 500. Then 2 kg and 500 grams. Then 2 will come under kg and 500 will come under grams. Then 2 will again come, see here now 2 kg is only given, no grams are there. Then 2 will come under kg and under grams it will come 0, 0, 0. Now add it. You will start adding from this side, ones, tens and hundreds. Whatever carry will be here, it will go to kg side. Then 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. Now there is one carry. So carry comes here on kg. So add this, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 and 1 is 6. So total weight is equal to 6 kg and 0 grams. So means it is 6 kg only. Now see the second question. The weight of one bag is 1 kg 200 grams more than the weight of second bag. If the weight of first bag is 3 kgs and 350 grams, find the weight of second bag. See beta, more word is given. I have told you in the questions, if more, less, difference word is given, left word is given, then you have to subtract. Now see, weight of one bag is given, which is more. So it is 1 kg and 200 grams. Then weight of first bag is 3 kg and 350 grams. Statement writing is very important. We have to find the weight of second bag. So what we will do, we will subtract. Write kg and grams. Which is the bigger term? This is the bigger one. 3 kg and 350 grams. So it will come up. Under kg it will come 3. Under grams it will come 350. Now 1 kg and 200 grams. Now subtract them. We will start subtracting from gram side. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So weight of second bag is 2 kg and 150 grams. See, in the same way it is the third question. Mrs. Khanna bought 6 kg of rice for a month. How much rice is left? See, left word is used in this question. More, less, left words, if they are used, that means it has to be subtracted. Now do this question in your notebook. Review exercise, you will do it yourself. You will practice it. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.